Hi guys, so I'm just going to do one video for the last pages of your memory books, okay? So this one is art, and I put down a bunch of the art projects that we've done. I know there were a lot more than that. They were just the ones that I could think of at the moment. So you get to choose 4 different art projects of the ones that you liked. Maybe you liked doing the sunflowers at the beginning of the year, or the shamrocks that we did. That was one of our last activities we did when we were at school. Or your self-portraits, or, I mean, we had so many. It was hard to think of some, but I mean, I put quite a few here. Maybe the nativity, you like to do that. You get to think of 4, and again, there's no lines, so be real careful with your writing, but you're gonna write it down here and then draw a little picture with it. So I know that the flamingos were a favorite. Oh, and you know what? I didn't put the llamas down either. You guys did a good job with the llamas. I know there's so many I'm probably forgetting. I liked doing the llamas. I liked doing the sunflowers at the beginning of the year. And I liked doing the crosses where we got to smudge and make them look really, really cool. I like that. So those are the 4 I'm going to pick. You pick whichever 4 you want and then draw a picture for it. And remember, you can always color in the backgrounds of these and make them look real nice, okay? Math, this one's going to be kind of interesting because we're going to put a couple things inside this bubble. And you're going to include pictures. Now with this one, you don't necessarily need to write the labels, but you could do pictures. So you could do an addition problem. And maybe it's one of them that had a bubbler, and you could put a bubbler next to it and solve it, right? So this one, 9 plus 2 would be 11. One like that. You could just write your subtraction poem, or you could do a problem that goes with your poem. So you could do like this one, right? More on the floor. Something like that, okay? Calendar, you could draw a picture of a calendar. You could draw a picture of a graph. Remember, we did the bar graphs. You could just kind of represent that by this. We did line plot graphs. We did pictographs. You could do a pictograph. Place value, you could write HTO, remember? Hundreds, tens, ones. We talked about that a lot. Money, you could do a money sign somewhere in there. Time, you could do a little clock, okay? Multiplication, you could do a multiplication problem. Okay, anything you want. Measurement, oh, maybe you want to put a ruler on there. We did stuff for measurement. Okay, so any of those things would be fine. I gave you some ideas on the bottom, but just kind of fill in that bubble on that page. Okay. All right, 2 more pages. Here's a fun one. Fun stuff. So I liked Lego Day. I liked PE with Mrs. Duncan, and I know y'all liked recess or chapel or worship, Christmas program, any of those. Fill them in and color them in, okay? And the very last page, the saddest page of all, but also a page where we get to think about all that we've accomplished, is the page that says best year ever, and I want you to draw a picture of you waving goodbye, or you saying ready for 3rd grade or something like that. But it's a picture of you with a nice smile. Obviously mine is really simple, but you could say goodbye 2nd grade, or hello 3rd grade, or something like that, okay? And now, when you're done with all your pages, so you've got all your pages done, you've got them all looking really nice, everything's perfect, then you're going to use Mom or Dad's help, okay, if you need to. Or if you have a paper cutter, you could do that too. But you're going to go through and cut each page right on the line. See that? Right on the line, each page, because it will make a little book. Then you can have Mom or Dad staple the sides of them. Or if you want to, you can just staple the top of it in the corner, and then you can put it with your art book as one of your memories of 2nd grade, okay? Also, if you want to, you could write something in there about how it was kind of a crazy year and how we had distance learning and all that stuff, crazy stuff kind of happening. You could put that in there somewhere too if you wanted, okay? All right, have fun, guys. I miss you. And remember that on Friday, you will either come to the school, or if your parents told me otherwise, I'll deliver it to you. But you're going to come and get your stuff. You're going to drop off all the work that you've been doing at home. Okay. And I'm going to give you a really cool gift that I think you're going to like, and your report card and all those things. Okay. So don't forget that. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.